Alright, here we are on the InfoWars. Overwhelming evidence shows trees falling on power lines during high winds caused Maui firestorm. When I saw this article, it reminded me of a thought I had during the winter. Why do they let the trees grow so close to the power lines? If they cut them down, then they wouldn't have to fix fallen power lines due to trees. I guess the environmentalists could be to blame for that, the whole we have to save the trees. Alright, back to the article. A growing body of evidence points to high winds paired with neglected overgrowth. So when the tree limbs are overgrown the power lines, and you have high winds, that limb could snap and take the power line with it. Alright, I'm gonna pop in a video. So if I'm reading that right, 4 a.m. power is out, 8 a.m. brush fire starts, but is declared 100% contained. I think it would be pretty hard to contain a fire in that kind of wind, but okay.
Oh no. Oh my gosh.
So yeah, no sirens given at that point in time. There should have been sirens going off a lot earlier than that.
Done it. Hold on. Look behind us. Look behind us.
Alright, so this is a hydro pole, and that's a power line. And this great big tree here is really close to the hydro pole. Now, I don't know if there's a line running to this pole over here. I believe this is another hydro pole. I could be wrong. But, yeah, in my opinion, this tree is way too close to this hydro pole / line.
Go drive down the bypass for a minute and just see how far we go and just see what happens, and then we can just come back out and turn around because it's just an open highway at this point.
I've heard that realtors wasted no time in trying to get people to sell their land. I could definitely see that, because Hawaii is prime beachfront property. And at the same time, I've heard that the state is taking action to prevent that, saying something that they'll take the land to prevent foreigners or realtors from buying the land. So the question is, will the state actually give the land back to the people once they take it? Don't know. I'd hope so. Now, quick disclaimer, that's just stuff I heard. So yeah, in this article it says a 10-foot minimum clearance from the lines is required for safety purposes. However, accounts from the region demonstrate that the company was not compliant with its own regulations. So again, that's from the article. Now I want to take some time to say I hope the woman who took that video and her family are safe. And as for the rest of the residents of Maui, I hope I said that right, recover swiftly. I hope companies don't take advantage of their situation. And with that, I'm gonna end the video. Take care out there.